You can do great things with the simple press of a button. Save power and give global warming a cold shoulder. Sometimes you can answer the mighty tiger's growl for help. Other times, you can save these strong oak trees that are fallen every day. There are other ways of loving the environment too. On your way to work, just switch off the engine. Press the right buttons and save someone's honor. Even start a revolution for a common cause. And today, you can do a lot more. Save an entire nation, our nation. And like always, it'll take one simple press of a button. Vote karo, bachate raho.